Hi everybody. Today I will be doing unboxing of this product, GHD Platinum Plus Professional Smart Styler. I have purchased this a couple of months back, but as you know, I didn't come on social media for a long time, and I haven't done any video for a long time, so I couldn't do the unboxing of this. So today I will be doing a unboxing of this product, and I'll show you what is there inside it. As it says, it's a platinum professional smart styler, but I'll show you how does it look. I'm sure you have seen this in quite a few videos on YouTube, but this is my first GHD Platinum Professional Smart Styler. So without wasting any time further, let's unbox it. It's a styler and it is personalized. As you can see, my name is written there. This is a very nice feature of GHD. Let's take this out. As you can see, there is a button here, and you do use this button to switch on and off this product. This comes with this cap. You can use this when you're traveling. When you are traveling, you can carry your styler like this, and this cap is given for that purpose. Like all of the product, it comes with all this leaflet. Safety instructions, and this is a guide. Let me keep it the way it was. And while you are not using this product, you can keep this inside this cover. It was a very small unboxing video because there is nothing much to show. It's just a styler. I've got it from UK, so it took me a while to receive the product. I went to their website and I have directly purchased from their website. And I have tried, previously I have tried a styler of GHD, the same one, in a salon, and I really liked that. Only after trying it, I have decided to purchase this. And I must say that this product is really good. It doesn't burn your hair. It doesn't make your hair dry. Sometimes it happens that we are using styler like this, straightener, and after a couple of minutes or hours, our hair start to freeze out, or our hair start to become dry, looks dry. But with this product, nothing like that happened. And like many other purchases of mine, I am very happy with this purchase. The best thing about this styler is that I have got the chance to customize the product with my name, as you have seen. I love the box and the packaging, but more than that, I love the styler itself. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you have enjoyed my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my future video. Thanks for watching. Bye.